stop. Don't watch any more of this video. I want you to look down into the palm of your hands right now, or reach into your pocket and pull out this little device right here, your mobile phone. Take a good hard look at this thing right here. Because did you know that the average person spends 5 hours per day staring at their mobile device? That's 20% of our day spent on our mobile phone, and almost as much time as we spend sleeping. I know it's crazy, but the most valuable piece of digital real estate in the world is the mobile phone home screen. So what if you could get paid to put local businesses onto the mobile phones of their customers? What if you could get paid to do that in just a few clicks and build a very successful and thriving agency that allows you to make an extra few $1,000s per month, or maybe you want to build a 6-figure business, or heck, even a 7-figure business, even if you're a complete newbie starting from scratch. My name is Peter Beatty, and I'm joined here today by my little brother named Kyle. And Kyle's actually getting paid to learn how to do this for local businesses. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Kyle, why don't you say hello?
Hey everybody, how's it going?
Kyle, what happened to you about 9 months ago?
I had just gotten fired from my job at Walmart as a stock clerk. About a week after that, my car actually broke down. And since I had just gotten fired, I didn't have any money to fix my car. I didn't have any money to pay my rent or any of my bills.
Now, just for the record, have you ever made money online before this?
No, I haven't.
Do you know how to do sales,
Not at all.
copywriting? Do you have any marketing skills at all?
Nope.
Have you ever owned a business before?
Nope.
How much were you recently paid to build one of these instant app funnels for a local business?
I had one send me a $500 check recently.
So after Kyle got fired from Walmart, our mom actually reached out to me and she had told me about it. And I'd actually spoken with Kyle and he was like, hey, can you teach me how to make money from home? Because I just got fired from my job, but there was just a big problem. You know, he didn't have any skills. He really didn't have any technical skills. He never made money online before. He was literally a complete newbie. He didn't even know what online marketing was. So I had no idea where to begin. So I went out and I started looking for different opportunities, different business models that he could get started with right away. We looked at affiliate marketing. We looked at, launching products. We looked at running Facebook ads for businesses. I mean, we looked at everything. We looked at crypto. And then eventually we looked at the metaverse, because the metaverse was something that was really, well, it still is hot, in the news right now. Everyone's talking about the metaverse, buying and selling digital real estate. All those things were either too risky or they required Kyle to have some sort of skill set to get started with. And that's when I realized I bet local businesses would pay a lot of money to someone who could put them onto the mobile phones of their perfect customers. That would be really valuable to a local business. So that's when I thought, what if we could take the mobile app and turn it into a sales funnel that could actually generate customers for that local business? Because that's something a local business would definitely pay for. If you could send them customers, well, they're going to continue paying you. So that's when I thought, what if we could actually give a local business a special type of QR code that they can put up in their store, and they could tell their customers to scan that QR code to receive new discounts and special offers from that business sent to their phone. And what if they could, when customers scan that QR code, it would install that local business's app onto their mobile phone instantly without them needing to go to the app store or enter their password to download it or anything. And then what if after that local business's app installed onto their phone, there was a way for that local business to consistently make money from that customer over and over again by sending push notifications to their mobile phone to let them know about new discounts and special offers? And that's when a light bulb went off for me. And when the instant app funnel concept was born. Hey, we need to take the mobile app and we need to turn it into a sales funnel that actually generates sales for a local business. That would be a high value service that Kyle could deliver to local businesses and charge hundreds, perhaps even thousands of dollars for, because he's generating results for them. But I wasn't really sure if businesses would be willing to pay for this. So I started doing some research online and I started seeing how much businesses were already paying for, regular old mobile apps that couldn't even do what we were talking about. And I saw examples of people making, 500 bucks, 2,000, 5,000, heck, even $10,000 to build simple mobile apps for local businesses. So I thought, I bet Kyle could get paid at least $500 to build these things for local businesses. But how would we actually get the technology to do it? So I reached out to my good friend Todd Gross, who has an awesome team of software developers. And they loved the idea of the instant app funnel, and they were able to create the technology that allows Kyle now to create instant app funnels for businesses in just a few clicks. Now, once we had the software, I helped Kyle find his first local business who would be willing to pay him for an instant app funnel. Kyle was paid $500 before he even touched the software or knew how to use it. And that's when we realized that Kyle could actually upsell his clients into a $1,000 per month weekly deal campaign, where Kyle could simply log into the software and send out those push notifications for that business owner, every single week to let their customers know about new special offers. And that's when I realized, we had finally solved Kyle's problem. If he wants to make, for example, $10,000 a month, he would just need to build 10 instant app funnels for 10 different businesses, and he's got a 6-figure business. And that's when I thought of you watching this video right now, because we've created a software that allows Kyle to transform his life as a complete newbie and make as much money as he wants in the new digital economy. So my question for you is, are you next? If so, I'd like to invite you to start following Kyle's footsteps right now by joining us today inside Mobileverse Takeover. Inside Mobileverse Takeover, you're going to get access to our brand new software, the Instant App Builder, that allows you to stamp out powerful instant app funnels for local businesses in any niche in under 5 minutes and with zero technical skills. As soon as you log into the software, you're going to see hundreds of ready to go templates ready for you to launch with just a few clicks of your mouse for virtually any local business on the planet. We're talking roofers, chiropractors, pizza restaurants, sandwich shops, delis, lawyers, insurance companies, builders, contractors, auto shops, dog walkers. Kyle, can you think of any more?
Nail salon,
Auto detailers, auto dealers, auto shops. The list goes on and on and on. You will never run out of templates, no matter what type of local business client you get. Once you've selected the template that you want, just click one button to make your instant app funnel live. You have a brand new instant app funnel ready to go. So whenever someone visits that funnel on the internet, it will instantly install itself onto the visitor's phone without them needing to download anything, allowing you to put your local business clients on the most valuable piece of real estate in the world right next to the apps that they use every single day, like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. And then once your client's instant app funnel is done, you can simply log into the software, take 5 minutes to type up a simple little message letting their customers know about their new special offers for that week, click send, and you've instantly just sent a push notification to all of their customers straight to their mobile device, and giving you the ability to generate new sales for your local business clients on command. This is something that you're going to be able to charge your clients thousands of dollars for every single month, because you're actually generating real measurable results in their business, not just building them a website or a mobile app that doesn't make them any money. No, you are actually making them money with an instant app funnel. And the last piece of the puzzle is the QR Smart Flyer, which is a special type of QR code that you can email to your local business client, and they can put it up in their store for their customers to scan whenever they walk into the store, which instantly downloads the instant app funnel to their device, allowing them to turn their in-store customers and even people who walk by their store into loyal app users and new sales on demand. So I invite you to join Kyle and everyone else who's jumping on board inside Mobileverse Takeover. Finally, you can get paid upwards of $500, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 or more, plus $1,000 every single month to build instant app funnels for local businesses. Click the button below to join us on the inside, and Kyle and I look forward to seeing your success story inside our new platform.